Hey everybody, this is Laura with McLeod Homestead, and I've got my good son Cody, my son Alex, can you say hi? And my other son over here who's driving. And today we are off to get our Christmas tree. Are we excited, Alex, to get our tree? So for something different, I figured I would bring you guys along with me because lately it doesn't seem like I have really done any vlogging videos. Lately it's just been more how-to videos that have been in the kitchen. And actually I haven't spent a whole lot of time in the kitchen. So let's go get that Christmas tree. So I'm not gonna lie, we had to go get some good Amish donuts for the ride. I'm going to show you a picture. Here they are. And I had to go get some hog feed. The only thing missing in this scene is some snow. Should we sing Let It Snow?
No, never again.
Hey Alex. Alex, can you sing Rudolph for me? Why not? You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. How else does it go?
Donner and Blitzen.
But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Doot, doot, doot. Sing it, son! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose like Pinocchio. How's it go then? I don't know it. You need to tell me. We're here! Look at that cute fat one. It reminds me of a gumdrop. We could get all purple, put purple lights and make it a purple gumdrop. Go ahead and look, honey. Look at them all. No. Well, go look. Go with brother and look.
Chicken bones. I got rid of the whole chicken.
And left me the bones. And we were having chicken and biscuits.
Oh,
yeah, needless to say, that dinner got changed.
yeah.
All right, everybody, we got our tree. Now we're heading back home to get it ready to get set up. And then we can decorate. Yay! Are you excited? You got to pick out the tree? See the tree back there? So my son had to leave, and so did his friend, but the grandkids and a couple of friends came over and helped to decorate the tree. And it was a very fun evening and greatly appreciated.
That was a blast with me in it.
Say that again?
That was a blast with me in it.
Yes, you helped decorate too, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you did awesome, didn't you?
Everyone party Christmas
of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la.
It's official. We are now all decorated and ready for Christmas. I am going to put on some Christmas music, do a little video of my village set. Please check it out. I hope you enjoy it. And please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks, everybody. Toodles!
you.